Outlook Office, how to fix Outlook 365 on Windows 11 desktop not working. If Outlook 365 on your Windows 11 desktop is not working, there are several steps you can take to diagnose and fix the issue. Here is a detailed troubleshooting guide. 1. Check internet connection. Ensure your internet connection is stable by opening a web browser and navigating to a few different websites. 2. Restart Outlook in your computer. Close Outlook completely. Restart your computer. Reopen Outlook to see if the issue persists. 3. Update Outlook and Office 365. Ensure that you have the latest updates installed for Outlook and Office 365. Open Outlook. Go to File, Office Account, Update Options, Update now. 4. Check for Windows updates. Make sure your Windows 11 is up to date. Go to Settings, Windows Update, check for updates. 5. Disable add-ins. Sometimes, add-ins can cause issues with Outlook. Open Outlook in safe mode by holding down the Control key while launching Outlook. This disables all add-ins. If Outlook works in safe mode, go to File, Options, Add-ins. Click Go next to Manage COM add-ins. Uncheck all add-ins and restart Outlook. Re-enable the add-ins one by one to identify the problematic one. 6. Repair Office 365, go to Settings, Apps and Features. Scroll down to find Microsoft Office 365 and click on it. Select Modify, then choose Quick Repair. If the issue persists, try the online repair option. 7. Create a new Outlook profile. Sometimes, the Outlook profile can become corrupted. Close Outlook. Go to Control Panel, Mail, Show Profiles. Click Add to create a new profile. Follow the prompts to set up your email account in the new profile. Set the new profile as the default and start Outlook. 8. Check email account settings. Ensure your email account settings are correct. Go to File, Account Settings, Account Settings. Select your email account and click Change. Verify that the settings match those provided by your email provider. 9. Clear Outlook cache. Clearing the cache can resolve certain issues. Close Outlook. Navigate to %localapp.a%\Microsoft\Outlook in File Explorer. Delete all files and folders. In this directory, this will not delete your actual emails, just the cache. 10. Disable firewall/antivirus temporarily. Sometimes, firewall or antivirus software can interfere with Outlook. Temporarily disable your firewall and antivirus software. Try to open Outlook again. If this resolves the issue, configure your firewall/antivirus to allow Outlook. 11. Run the Microsoft Support and Recovery Assistant. Microsoft provides a tool that can help diagnose and fix issues with Office. Download the Microsoft Support and Recovery Assistant, https://diagnostics.outlook.com/$. Tool. Follow the on-screen instructions to diagnose and resolve issues with Outlook. 12. Check PST/host file integrity. If your Outlook data file, PST/host, is corrupted, it can cause issues. Close Outlook. Open the Inbox Repair tool, scans.exe, typically located in the Office installation directory. Browse to your PST/host file location, usually found in %localapp.a%\Microsoft\Outlook. Run the repair tool on your data file. 13. Reinstall Office 365. If all else fails, you may need to reinstall Office 365. Go to Settings, Apps and Features. Find and select Microsoft Office 365, then click Uninstall. After uninstalling, restart your computer. Reinstall Office 365 from the official Microsoft Office website, https://www.office.com. Conclusion: if none of the above steps resolve the issue, you may need to contact Microsoft Support for further assistance. They can provide more advanced troubleshooting steps tailored to your specific situation.